Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, the Quraysh were worried as a Makhdumi woman had committed larceny. They said, who will intercede with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in this connection? The people then said, who can dare to do so? Says Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu, who is beloved of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. At last, Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu interceded with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam for her. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, are you interceding regarding the penal system defined by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then got up and delivering a sermon said, O people, undoubtedly the people prior to you perished because when any high-born person among them would commit theft, they would let him off. When any low-born person among them would commit larceny, they would inflict prescribed punishment on to him. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if Fatima, Muhammad's daughter, commits larceny, I will definitely cut her hand off. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4386.